Good morning, Council.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Aloba.
Yes, sir.
Today being 14th of May, 2025. 26, thank you. 26. We learned that the court is not sitting. So, can you just tell us what transpired? The question to the Council, sir.
Okay, so we are the Federal High Court with respect to the royalty claim by the Aloba family. Wumi and Adura, who had earlier brought an application before the Federal High Court to substitute the name of Mohbad for theirs and step into Mohbad's shoes so that they can be paid the royalty claim. This was done as far back as February 2024, even when the Aloba family are not even aware. They got aware, or they got to know in October of 2025, and we had filed the appropriate application. The matter was supposed to come up today for the hearing of our own motion. But curiously, before the close of business yesterday, I received a call that there is a process that is being served on me in my office. And when I gave them instruction to receive the process and I saw it, I was in complete dismay. Apparently, Mohbad's mother had filed an application to be joined in that case. Guess what? It's a good omen. Fantastic. I advise my client, I am not going to oppose that kind of application regarding her joining in that suit with respect to the royalty of her late son. That is not a problem. The intention of the Aloba family is not to corner or to benefit of the royalty. They just want to preserve the memory of the boy so that the people who do not deserve to benefit from it will not benefit conscientiously. But the only shocking thing about the application when I saw it is the fact that she added Aloba to her name. So the process that was served on me bears Mrs. Abosede Oluniyi Aloba. Of course, me, I don't know the back end of the story. I reached out to my client and I asked him, sorry, I thought you said Mohbad's mother is no longer your wife. Why is she bearing Aloba? And she told me she has left the house since 2005. 2005. When Mohbad was how old? When Mohbad was 7 years old. And she had remarried. She had given birth to 3 children. That the name, the Oluniyi in the middle of her name is the name of her husband. That's the name of the current husband. So what she did in that application is she added her name, her current husband name, and Aloba's name to her name. In any event, it is a bit shocking. It shows marks of desperation because she doesn't even need to add Aloba to her name. I am not going to oppose it, but why adding Aloba to her name? What is the desperation in adding Aloba? What is so special about this Aloba's name that everybody wants to be Aloba? Sir, what is so special about this Aloba's name? There is something about that Aloba's name.
I'm surprised.
There's something about this. Everybody wants to be Aloba. So, well, we are in court. At the appropriate time, we address the court.
Thank you very much, Council. So, as it stands now, the matter automatically has been adjourned.
So the court did not sit. The court did not sit. So the matter has been adjourned to 22nd of October. Wow. So we'll come to court. On the latter note, we'll address that issue. That clearly, those names, I'm not sure those names appear in any of the national ID card, NIN or anything. She should be, if she wants to be a current husband, she should be it. So I don't want to talk too much. Wow,
all right, thank you very much, Council. Thank you.
But I'm saying this to all my fans all over the world that, as according to what my lawyer said, I'm not opposing her. She is the one that gave birth to Mohbad, exactly. And I'm the father. So, but the only angle that I was scared, was embarrassed, is that adding my name with Omoloju or Laniyi, it's not done. You want to be Aloba, be Aloba. That is why I said, if you want to become Aloba, if you come outside to clarify it, and give.
There's something about this Aloba name. There's something about this Aloba name.
Thank you very much.
Now, the whole world know Aloba.